Alexa, make my coffee.
Okay.
First, download the Home Connect app from the App Store. Then open the Home Connect app. When you want to add any appliance to Home Connect, you need to log in using your email ID and password. Next, click on the Add Appliance button and allow all the permissions the app asks for. Make sure your mobile phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Now, go to the appliance and open Settings. Click on the Home Connect button and then select Home Connect Assistant. Then click Start and select Yes. Ensure that both Wi-Fi and Remote Start are turned on. Go back to the Home Connect app on your phone. The appliance will appear in the list. Click on it to connect. Once connected, you can switch it on and control it from your phone. For example, you can select any coffee type. Press Start, customize it according to your taste and press Start again. The machine will begin making coffee as per your requirements. If you want to connect the appliance with Alexa, open the Alexa app, swipe down and click on See More Options. Then search for the appliance type along with the brand name and select the option that has the Home Connect logo. Click Enable to use. Now, enter the same email ID and password that you used for the Home Connect app and click on the Approve button. You can now add commands and functions as per your choice. For example, if you want to make a cappuccino, you can give a command like Alexa, make my coffee.
Okay.
To set this up, go to the Alexa app, select the coffee maker and click Create Routine. Add a command, type the voice command. Then select Smart Home, choose Coffee Maker, select the coffee program you want to run such as cappuccino and save the routine. After this, simply give the command to Alexa and it will work according to your instructions.
Alexa, make my special coffee.
Okay.